This episode, we take a look at what it takes to refinish door panels on your G-Body. Well, in the opening scene, you saw me trimming off the fabric for the lower portion of the interior door panels on my 1979 Pontiac Grand Prix. So this is going to work for about any of your G-Bodies out there if you're meeting me for the first time. Well, I'm Grant Tommy. This is Straight Six Fan, your home for offbeat hot rodding. And yeah, we are continuing on with the interior restoration for Lori G. Prix, my 1979 Pontiac Grand Prix, as I just mentioned. But let's get you guys an update on where I'm at with this project. Alright, while the interior is still wildly just torn apart, I did get some time over the last couple evenings to hang the passenger side door panel. We got that all refurbished, rehabbed the way we want it. Again, we are using gray as a secondary accent color. But yeah, we got that hung and really digging the results. This is a great reminder, if you're not following me on Instagram and TikTok and the like, you would have seen status updates on this door panel on those outlets. So that's a great way to catch up on what I'm doing in between uploads, because it's getting harder and harder to get consistent YouTube uploads in a long format. So we got the driver's side upper panel all masked off, taped off. We got 2 coats of our SEM colored coat. We'll leave a link down below to the colors I'm using. So it's time now to take the driver's side panel to the same status as the passenger side and get that hung, and we'll move on from there. But first, I just want to run everybody through where we're at again. So got to get the driver's side door on, and yes, we are still torn apart here, but I do have the headliner material, which will be going over the package tray. I do have to get another set of these laser cut out, because for whatever reason the shop I sent these to, or had these cut out at, they scaled up the CAD file I sent them somehow in some way, shape, or form, and so this blew up to be about 1.5 times what they needed to be. So the goal is we're going to have smaller grills. This whole look is going to be, reduced in size. I'll glue them on here, and then we'll glue headliner material over the top. And yes, this headliner material, same as what we got on the lower portion of the door panel. But yeah, it's been one of those things. Life's been crazy. I have been out here somewhat consistently working on this thing. Just, it's like when you're doing the prep work first off on the panels, really taking my time to make sure things turn out well is part of it. The other part is just having 1.5 hour windows of time and things like that. You can only get so much done. But just figured I owed you guys a little bit of an update. I am still alive and kicking, but yeah, that's where we're at. I honestly, hopefully this week I get this wrapped up, because then the back seat can go back in, and that's going to be a huge monumental thing, because less crap's going to be piled on the car, and then just slowly and surely we'll get this put back together. That will leave us lastly with the dash to take out, because we've got just minor nicks anyways. I think that's going to do it, guys, for this episode. I wanted to keep this as short as possible, but I do want to say thanks to anybody who stopped by, spent some time to watch, to get caught up on the project. And I most definitely appreciate you taking the time to like, comment, share, subscribe to this content. Anyway, go check out some of these videos over here if you want to learn about more of the interior rehab on this car. Otherwise, to all my Six fans out there, thanks for watching.